What's going on, guys? Back at it again with another video. You're excited? I'm excited. Let's get right into the video. So today I'm going to talk about a topic that a lot of people actually wonder about, and that is, how do you lose weight? Right? That is something that everybody strives, whether it's like looking in magazines and Instagram and YouTube. All these people talk about, oh, losing weight, 3 tips to lose weight, or hacks or pills or whatever. Well, let me just break it down for you. That shit doesn't work. Alright? It doesn't work. And, the media kind of lies to you in that department, which kind of sucks. But guys, I'm here to really break it all down for you and let you know the truth of how to actually lose weight. Now, most people would say, oh, it's cardio, right? Cardio makes you lose weight. But no. And here's why, right? When you do cardio, all you're doing really, like if you're doing stationary cardio, like jogging, you would have to jog about a marathon just to lose 1 pound of fat. And the reason for that is because when you run, you're not actually burning fat, but you're burning your glycogen storage levels. You don't even get to the fat. That's the problem. So most people question like, oh Max, so what do you do to lose weight, right? Well, there's a couple of things you can do. And the first and foremost, most important way is actually to eat in a calorie deficit. Guys, so many people say that, oh, I can't eat all the foods that I love. I have to sacrifice all this stuff. But guys, it's really not that hard. The thing is that you actually can eat the foods that you want, but in moderation. As long as you're eating in a calorie deficit, you can pretty much eat all the foods you want. That's the cool thing. Because when you're in a calorie deficit, your body starts using your fat as fuel, right? And then of course, if you get like super drastic, it starts using muscle. But basically it goes glycogen stores, fat, and then muscle. So eating less is definitely a for sure way to actually lose weight. Now guys, the second way that you can lose weight is by incorporating heavy weight training. And the reason why that is so important is because your body turns into a fat burning machine whenever you lift heavy weights. And you might ask, oh Max, you're not a freaking professor. How do you know this shit? How do you know that this is the truth? Well, let me tell you. I actually watched one of my kinesiology lectures at Michigan State, well, online. And basically what it said is that when you lift heavy weights and when you incorporate strain and you constantly, increase the heavy weight, your body's constantly trying to get used to that weight. So what happens is that it creates more mitochondria in order to, work the muscles, to fuel it with oxygen. So the more mitochondria, the more your cells work. And the more your cells work, the more your metabolism works, which means your metabolism actually increases as you lift heavy weights. So guys, that means that when you're not lifting weights and you're sleeping, your fat, it's still burning. Isn't that freaking cool? But yeah, so eating less and using heavyweight training is a for sure way to lose weight. And guys, I know how important it is because summer 2021 is coming up. Not too soon, but it'll get there. So we gotta get on that grind right now so we can look our best. And actually, I do have some good news for you. So I am writing my own workout program called the Beachbody program. And that program is specifically designed to get you shizzled for summer 2021. So whenever that comes out, I will for sure let you guys know. I still have to build a website where I put all of those up for sale and stuff, so gotta get on that gravy train as well. But I guess the last thing you can do in order to lose fat is weighted sprints. Guys, weighted sprints, the reason why those work is because it gives off progressive overload, which means that as you put on more weight on your body and you run, it's still progressive overload. For example, Have you guys seen those like weight things that guys push around in the weight room with the green grass and all that shit? Yeah, well, that's cardio with weights. And that's actually really gonna help to burn off that fat, because you are in fact incorporating strength training. Again, guys, super important. So in a nutshell, eat less, watch what you're eating, just lift heavy weights. Obviously those are important. And the last part is just incorporate some strength training in your cardio. And it's really honestly that simple. Like, it's not hard at all. People make it seem like it's rocket science or some shit, but it's actually super easy. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment, and let me know what you guys want to see in the next videos and the upcoming ones. But yeah, as always, look better, feel better, do better.